Narinig mo na ba yung turtle theory? Alam mo yung turtle? Hindi siya nagmamadali. Hindi siya nape-pressure kapag may mas mabilis sa kanya. Hindi rin siya nagpapanik kapag maalo ng tubig. Lumalangoy lang siya, one stroke at a time. And honestly, parang ganun din dapat tayo. Especially if you're building a business, raising kids, healing your marriage, or trying to figure out your life here abroad. Ang daming pressure, di ba? Social media makes it look like everyone is winning fast. 6 figures, dream house, perfect body, perfect family, tapos ikaw, parang ang bagal ng progress mo. But here's the truth. Speed is loud, but consistency is powerful. The turtle doesn't compete, it commits. Hindi niya iniisip kung sino ang nauna. Ang iniisip niya, tuloy-tuloy lang. Kasi kahit mabagal, umaabot pa rin siya sa shore. So, if you feel behind right now, if you feel like ang bagal ng growth mo, remember this. Slow progress is still progress. Peace will always outlast pressure. And you don't need to sprint. You just need to stay in motion. Have you heard of the turtle theory? Maybe it's time you start living it.